Okay, we're gonna test, just install the Protect X on the 24 Tacoma. I'm gonna lock the car. I'm gonna see how the Windows function works. Okay, I'm gonna unlock it. And then I'm gonna push the button. And I guess right now it should start working. I'm gonna hit unlock again and see what happens. Here we go. Windows started coming down. And on this side, came down. If I push it again. Okay. Again. All right, it's coming down. All 4 windows. One more time. Comes down a little bit at a time. Okay, let's test what happens when we hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, all windows rolled up, so this function works very well. Okay, let's see how the impact functions. Okay, it's supposed to function like that. Chirping. All right. That one did not work. This one worked. Okay. Wonder what happens if I kick this. That also worked. Okay, good. All right. Here's one more thing that it's about the tilt function, but the high is already raised, so I'm not gonna test that function. All right, sounds good. Thank you.